Hey, this is another tech tip from Casey, Grandpa Tech. A lot of people don't realize that by not cleaning the vents in here or doing something of the similar, these vents can get clogged and all of a sudden you can have a dryer fire. So today I'm going to show you, not only should you just clean this filter, but I'm going to show you something else that really works well. That you clean out there and you can't really get into here. So what you're going to use is a attachment like this, where it's going to go inside and it's going to suck out all of this. Now I'm not going to bore you with doing it, but I'm going to do it, and you're going to see the contents that came out. As you see, you're going to vacuum, go way down, you're going to go way down deep in here. You want to try to get as much of that out of there, because when this gets clogged, number one, it reduces the efficiency of your dryer because the air's not going out. But number two, you can have a dryer fire. You also have an output on the outside of the house where you want to take this hose, go in there, and with a brush and vacuum it. Now, this vacuum was empty before I started vacuuming that out, and you can see just what came out of there. Now that's reducing the amount. That was reducing the amount of flow in the dryer, preventing it from functioning fully. And if it gets clogged up enough, you can have a dryer fire. So I hope this has been helpful for you. Those are available on Amazon. I happen to be using one particular model. I'm not promoting any particular one, but very simple to do and vacuum. Another part of your dryer cleaning is, of course, to clean the dryer vent outside. And this gets so neglected and forgotten. And my vent is 3 years done, hasn't been serviced. So I'm out here, and I'm going to show you what I've got so far. Now you can see already, this just taking the cover off and looking just how much it came out just by that. It was totally clogged. This is only 3 years. This is all installed 3 years ago, and already it's done. See, what you want to do is get yourself a brush like this and just get in there, and clean out as much as you can, okay? Because if you can clean out as much as you can get out of there, you're gonna not only will your dryer be more efficient, but you risk getting rid of a dryer fire. These holes were clogged. I mean, it was bad. The bottom line is maintenance on your dryer venting system is critical. So many homes catch on fire because of a simple neglect. Now we had that dryer installed about 2.5 years ago, and we clean out the duct just like you see. We normally do the brushing and doing all that such. But recently we had some paper get accidentally put in the dryer, and I noticed it, and it was all flaked inside of the dryer. And I said, well, you know what? It's a good time. Once a year, you should take a brush and suck out the outside. Those little louver just pop right off. You can pop them right off if you can reach them, and then take a dryer brush or a vacuum cleaner, get in there as deep as you can and suck them out. But what I was surprised is how much, when I put that vacuum attachment into the actual dryer, that it almost filled up the entire vacuum, and that is decreasing the efficiency of my dryer. But not only that, the possibility of a dryer fire increases by not having the extra time and maintenance done. Anyway, this is your Grandpa KC. I'm going to leave you 2 links that you can check out on Amazon. Use the links. There are affiliate links. And anyway, I'll be back with another tech tip soon.